What's up guys, and welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony and I'm back with another video. Here we have an Xbox 360. I know you guys are thinking, why would he be doing a review of an Xbox 360 in 2018? Let's get into it. Alright, so again guys, welcome back. Alright, so here we have the Xbox 360. It's been around for almost 11 years. It came out in 2005 in November. Alright, Microsoft has sold over 84 million of these. Alright, so it's a special unit, but it's really special to me. I met my wife on the Xbox 360 playing Gears of War. We started from the original Gears of War back in 2006. And yeah, she got sniped and she didn't like it. And she probably will comment on this video saying that she didn't, but she did. So I actually used the Xbox 360 for more than just gaming. I built an Htpc, which stands for Home Theater Personal Computer, 3 years ago, and got it hooked up with a cable card from the cable company, and actually used this bad boy as an extender, and it has worked wonders. All right, so I actually use this in my bedroom as a cable box and avoiding all of those rental fees from the cable company. So with the home theater PC, you would need either Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, and you can use Windows Media Center, and you can use that to bring up a program guide, record all of your shows, and set recording series. You can also do that on the Xbox 360. I forgot to mention, guys, that when you install Windows Media Center, it actually pulls in all of the media from your PC that you have, and also those on your network. It pulls in your music library that you have in your computer, your pictures and videos as well, and all of the extras that you have in your library, such as photos and other things. This is where you actually record your live TV, and then to the right of that you have your guide and your live TV when you go in to watch TV. And there's also a search option as well. So guys, as I mentioned, the Xbox 360 is a very special console to me because I met my wife on it. So I'm just going to give you guys an idea of the games that we actually played. So I met on Gears of War 1, as I mentioned earlier. Right, so we have Gears of War 1. I have several copies of this game. It's Gears of War 1. We also have Gears of War 2. Gears of War 3. And Gears of War Judgment. Not a great game, but had to add it to the collection. I also have Gears of War 4 for the Xbox One and the Ultimate edition that came out for the Xbox One as well, the remake of Part 1. Now let's see if you guys have been paying attention to this video. And if you did watch it, you're in for a treat because I have a code here that you guys can take. All right, so just a quick treat for you guys. Oh yeah, guys, I actually forgot to mention that, as you can see, I have a plethora of games here. If you notice any game that I don't have that's really, really good and you have a suggestion, leave it in the comment below. I would appreciate it. And just in case these games are too far for you to see, just go back to the montage from earlier in the video and let me know what games I'm missing. In next week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the actual home theater PC, all of the components inside and how it works. So stay tuned to next week's video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.